Hey guys, I finally got to unbox my new Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and what's a better treat to your new smart device than a screen protector that protects it from any harm. And in this video, I review and install this screen protector by JETech. It's the first time I try their protectors, so I hope it will be good. Initially, I wanted to get a Spigen screen protector, but they informed me that they won't be releasing one for at least a month or two. I can't wait for that long, but good to know that JTech got us covered from day one. When you open it up, you get two prep kits, including two wipes, a cleaning cloth, a dust-absorbing sticker, and finally, a card to push bubbles away. What's cool is that it comes with this installation frame. While it may not be as advanced as Spiegen's, but I think it will get the job done. So I'll start with an installation, wish me luck and enjoy. So it took quite long to get rid of all bubbles. As you saw, there were really many. But with patience and efforts, I managed to get rid of them, and this is the result. I think it went quite good. Another cool thing that it's covering all display, so it's totally tailored for the S9 Ultra. And using the case won't interfere with it at all. Now the time to test whether the sensor is still able to read fingerprints. And surprisingly, it's still as responsive as ever, so no problems with that. Also, there are no issues using the S Pen, so it's perfectly fine. So, I'm quite satisfied with it, and I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel and be on track of all latest content. See you in the next one.